So it's June 25th and it's so warm, over 85 degrees today, and we have the French Syrian Mulberry. Wait, patience. So, okay, but I need to test it though.
I want to.
But come on, a little bit. We'll share. Okay, I bite a little bit and then you get the rest. If there's only one fruit, I need to try it. So it's a medium-sized fruit. And it looks very, very, very pretty. Let me try. Very sweet. Much better than last year. Last year was more tart than sweet. So it has this type of leaf. To me, it's very unique. It's a little light green, so it is lacking fertilizer. I haven't had time. I'm worried about the excessive heat that we've been having. So haven't fertilized. You'll have to wait until after the heat wave to actually fertilize any tree, otherwise it might burn. Fertilize burn on top of that. So say bye, Long. Why don't you eat it? Try it. Try it. Tell me what you think. No, try it. Try it. Tell me what you think about the mulberry. This Lebanese Syrian mulberry. No, it's not. I lied. I'm sorry. French Syrian. How sweet is it? Little bit sweet or very sweet? What do you think? You like or not like? Thumbs up or thumbs down? Is that up?
Yeah.
Okay, say bye.
Every time I do sideways means up.
Okay.